channel. So today I'm going to be doing a Perfect Aire microwave review, and that's the box picture. 11 power levels, 6 pre-programmed cooking menus including popcorn, pizza, potato, frozen vegetable, beverage, and dinner plate. Express cooking, quick cooking with one-touch buttons, wait and time defrost, and additional features are safety lockout feature, convenient 30-second plus button, kitchen timer and clock, memory function, easy clean interior, in oven light, and glass turntable. Countertop microwave appliances built to last. These are the dimensions. Here's some pizza. Here's some popcorn. We open the box. The first thing you see is the glass turntable. With its attachments. Now we take this out and eat it over there. And now we take it out. And here is the microwave. So quite a large. It is 1.1 cubic feet. And it came with this protector. And then on here you have the clock. Time cook, time defrost, wait defrost. All the buttons, and here is the button to open. And this is what it looks like on the inside. You have all your little booklets. Pretty spacious, and while we're here, you just pop this in, and now you line up, whoops, and then just line up the 3 dots like that, and bada bing, it is all set up. Just plug it in, which I'll show you in a second. So here you have your paperwork. You have your product placement plan. So I will do that off screen. And then we also have your 1-year warranty, compact appliances and chest freezers. Now, unfortunately, I live in Bermuda, and depending on which country you are from, the 1-year warranty from the appliance company, so in this case, it would be Perfect Aire, they might not actually give you the 1-year warranty, but you should get a warranty from the store that you buy your appliance from, so keep that. And your ownership registration. And now the user manual. So for different models, they look like that. So this is the same as my microwave, but it's not stainless steel, and it also doesn't have the handle. It's from Illinois. Here is the technical data. You can pause to read. Important safety instructions. And your grounding instructions, container use. Your control panel. and troubleshooting in the back. Now to turn this bad boy on and see what it does. Okay, so here is the microwave and it is turned on. That's the inside of it. And the one thing I like about this microwave so far is not only is it a matte finish on the top and the sides and this glass in the front here, but the button to press, if you saw my last microwave by Black & Decker video, I'll link it down below. When you pressed it in, it was so loud, but this one's like, it's quiet, you know? So it's big, and then just put a minute in. So that's automatically, you press stop to clear. And then you press 2, and basically just stop to clear as well. It's a little hard, but we're good. And that's it.
So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.